Hello, for iCraft 40, we would like to shed some more light on agriculture robotics and automation, a research domain that has not concentrated yet enough attention. More specifically, the subject of this work is addressing the challenges of underwater motion planning towards enabling autonomous agriculture operations. Focusing on the motion planning aspect, there are five main interconnected technical challenges present in agriculture that any motion planner should be able to account for. Firstly, set estimation underwater suffers due to poor visibility, while acoustic sensors that can, in general, assist significantly underwater suffer from biomass interference. Secondly, due to currents and other disturbances caused by waves, there is motion uncertainty and the produced paths may not be able to be executed with reasonable accuracy. Moreover, unlike other workspaces, collisions cannot be logistically tolerated since they may compromise the entire cage structure, leading to significant biomass escapes, financial losses, and ecological disasters in the local area. Another important challenge is avoidance of dynamic deformable obstacles, such as the net structure, but also the equipment of robots that may potentially move faster than the AUV itself. Finally, given the inherent uncertainty, the dynamic natural environment, the risks during the operation, and limited sensing, to guarantee safety, the robots may often have a very short action window to react and avoid collisions. Thus, we identified some minimum general requirements that motion planners should display, such as policies to mitigate the expected localization and map uncertainty, monitor the performance of the path follower and adapt, prioritize the safety of the surroundings with strong guarantees, be capable to robustly avoid dynamic obstacles, and display strong capacity for real-time replanning. We briefly saw our attempt to address these requirements along with their existing shortcomings as a motivation to the community to contribute with further advancements. All techniques have been tested thoroughly in simulation, and the ones on top have also been tested in field trials, including industrial scale fission facilities of Sinterface. The locally optimal motion planners developed showed real-time safety, introduced hard safety guarantees to mitigate uncertainty, and avoided obstacles moving arbitrarily fast, with varying shortcomings ranging from lack of adaptivity to conditions to reductive geometric representations. Given the problems presented and the recent progress, we strongly believe that agriculture robotics and automation challenges the current state of the art and its fundamental assumptions. More focus on developing robust solutions in this domain could improve further the efficiency and safety of motion planning in other domains of robotics, currently more accessible for autonomy. Thank you.